If you're planning to buy a DJI drone in 2026, this video will help you choose the right one. Today, we'll review the top 5 best DJI drones of 2026, covering key features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and who each drone is best for. Whether you're a beginner, a travel creator, or a professional filmmaker, this guide has you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a high-performance camera drone from DJI, featuring a dual camera system with a wide-angle lens and a medium telephoto lens. It offers up to 46 minutes of maximum flight time, 48-megapixel photos, 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. In real-world use, the Air 3 delivers excellent image clarity, strong dynamic range, and very stable flight performance. The dual camera setup allows for more creative shooting options without needing to land the drone. Long battery life makes it suitable for extended filming sessions. Pros: dual camera system for flexible shooting, long 46-minute flight time, advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, high-quality 4K HDR video. Cons: higher price than entry-level drones, requires registration in many regions. The DJI Air 3 is ideal for serious creators and professionals who want advanced features without moving to a full flagship drone. Number 2. DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart Combo. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV drone designed for immersive flying and dynamic video capture. It records 4K video, features a 155-degree field of view, and includes built-in propeller guards for safer flights. The Fly Smart Combo includes FPV goggles and a motion controller. The Avata 2 offers an immersive first-person flying experience that feels smooth and responsive. One-push acrobatic modes make complex FPV moves accessible, even for users with limited FPV experience. Pros: immersive FPV flying experience, durable design with propeller protection, easy-to-use motion controller, ultra-wide cinematic footage. Cons: shorter flight time than standard drones, not suitable for traditional aerial photography. The DJI Avata 2 is the best choice for FPV enthusiasts and action video creators in 2026. Number 3. DJI Flip with RC2 controller. The DJI Flip is a lightweight drone under 249 grams equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 3-axis gimbal. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, long-range video transmission, follow-me mode, and palm takeoff functionality. This drone is very easy to fly and highly portable. The RC2 controller with a built-in screen eliminates the need for a smartphone, making setup fast and convenient. Video stabilization is impressive for its size. Pros: no registration required in many countries, compact and travel-friendly, stable 4K video output, built-in screen controller. Cons: limited obstacle avoidance, smaller camera sensor. The DJI Flip is perfect for travelers, beginners, and casual creators who want quality video in a lightweight package. Number 4. DJI Neo Fly More Combo. The Neo is an ultralight 135-gram drone designed for fast and simple content creation. It features a 4K camera, subject tracking, quick shots, and palm takeoff. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries for extended usage. The Neo focuses on simplicity and automation. It can track subjects smoothly and capture ready-to-share footage with minimal user input, making it ideal for everyday and social media use. Pros: extremely lightweight and portable, simple automated tracking, multiple batteries included, beginner-friendly operation. Cons: limited manual controls, performance affected by wind. The DJI Neo Fly More combo is best suited for vloggers and casual users who value ease of use over advanced manual control. Number 5. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is a foldable, lightweight drone with 4K video recording, gesture control, active track, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Gesture control and intelligent subject tracking make the Neo 2 very easy to operate without a controller. Stabilized footage looks clean, especially for a drone in this size category. Pros: gesture control for hands-free operation, intelligent subject tracking, compact foldable design, good obstacle sensing. Cons: controller sold separately, limited professional shooting modes. The DJI Neo 2 is a strong option for beginners and hands-free shooting enthusiasts. Each of these DJI drones excels in a different category. The Air 3 is best for professionals. The Avata 2 dominates FPV flying. The Flip is ideal for travel, and the Neo models are perfect for quick and automated content creation. Choose the one that best fits your filming style and budget.